How to use coupons on Hotel.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to provide you with step-by-step tutorial you can follow up to use coupons on Hotel.com. So let's get started. For that, we can search for our hotel. We can go for the search option and click on it that we would like to book. And basically enter up our destination, check out dates for that and number of guests in search, and select the hotel that we want. For example, let's say this is the hotel. After that, we can start the process of reservation. We can select a room. For example, this room. We can view up the details and everything and click on this option called reserve. Beautiful. And we'll towards this page. Now we will be headed towards the checkout page here. So within this checkout page, what we need to do is basically look at for section for promo code. So we can select go to this checkout page, and first of all we need to of course enter up our payment details. So make sure you have correctly entered your payment details and everything. And right after you've entered it, you will be finding a section for apply for coupon. You can try looking out for it. Otherwise, usually when we scroll here also we should be finding a price details section with use a coupon option. We can click on that option right there and we can just go and enter the coupon code in this section. So we can enter our code here and click on this option called apply. And if the coupon is valid, the discount will appear instantly in the section right here. And we can just go over and check out the total price. And only one coupon is allowed per booking, and coupons don't work on every hotel or room. Hotels that require pay at property usually cannot use coupons, and coupons can be applied to bookings already made. But usually to apply coupons within the website, you may follow out this step. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.